Welcome to watch the laser beam front-end installation and debugging video. First, we will unbox the product and demonstrate its appearance. Before installation, please check that all tools and equipment are complete. Please note the difference between the transmitter TX and receiver ARX. This is a high-precision perimeter protection device. Custom narrow band filter blocks light interference for precise detection in any environment. 1.5-inch OLED screen shows real-time status and data for easy operation. All aluminum alloy chassis, IP66 rated, waterproof and dustproof. Capable of stable operation in extreme environments ranging from 40C to 80C. Supports RS485 and network comes. Multi-power options for remote or unstable areas. Wide slotted base for multi-angle mounting on walls, poles, or slopes. Smart dimming, auto sync between TX and ARX, cuts 90% setup time. Customizable number of laser beams. Prepare the following tools before installation. Determine the installation location and mark the installation hole positions with a marker pen. Ensure no fixed objects obstruct the beam path. Drill at marks. Test the width of the expansion screws. Securely fix the base with installation screws. Install washers and nuts. Partially tighten screws for secure but adjustable positioning. This is the initial installation effect demonstration. Unscrew the mode switch button on the transmitter. Press the screwdriver for 5 seconds to enter optical alignment mode. The transmitter end emits a long beep as a prompt. Lock laser with cardboard to see red dot. Remove the axis adjust waterproof cap on the transmitter. Adjust beam X or Y with 4 Phillips screwdriver. Hold cardboard at 510M from transmitter, then test at 20M, 50M, 100M, 200M until laser aligns with receiver. Press mode switch to cycle beams, then position all per above steps. The transmitter's red beam turns off as the receiver enters normal operation mode. Unscrew ARX's settings and mode buttons with screwdriver. Hold screwdriver 5 seconds until receiver beeps, accessing parameter settings. Press the function switch button briefly to switch between settings. Press the settings button to toggle beams and verify intensity. Short press the settings button to switch the address or IP address or set via PC-based tools. Short press the settings button to switch the block beam, trigger time, and alarm duration settings. Normal operating state, the receiver's display is in progress. Use an opaque object such as cardboard to slowly pass through the beam, simulating an intrusion. Test at different heights, verify whether the alarm system functions properly. Attempt to pass through quickly to confirm reliable alarms. Attempt to pass through slowly to confirm reliable alarms. Solar interference will not trigger false alarms. Rain does not affect the alarm. Branches or other debris blocking the beam do not trigger an alarm. Next is the demonstration for central control terminal wiring. First are the wiring steps for the A7 series alarm control panel. Connect the A7 alarm control panel to the C3 receiver's power adapter. If using RS485 bus connection, connect according to the above wiring positions. Green wire is RS485 A line. Yellow wire is RS485B line. If using network connection, connect both the A7 alarm control panel and C3 laser detector to the network switch. The wiring method for MK series intelligent control terminal is as follows. First, connect the MK terminal to power supply. If using RS485 bus connection, connect according to the above wiring positions. Green wire is RS485 A line. Yellow wire is RS485B line. If using network connection, connect both the MK control terminal and C3 laser detector to the network switch. Open network and internet settings on your computer. Click Ethernet, change adapter options, edit. Open Ethernet properties, select Internet Protocol version for TCP IP v4. Then click Properties. Choose Use the following IP address to configure the computer's IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Ensure the computer's IP address is in the same subnet as the front-end network device or control device. If the front-end and back-end networks differ, ensure cross-subnet connectivity. Open a web browser Google Chrome recommended. Enter the alarm panel or control keypad's IP address. And press Enter to access the web login page. Select Administrator as username default password 123456. Then click Login to access the alarm panel or control keypad web interface. Click Device Management, Add, select device address. For device address entry, for example, front-end device address 08, enter 08 in the address field and click OK. An Operation Successful message indicates successful registration. Verify the device status shows online. Click Defense Zone Management to expand options. Then select Defense Zone Control, choose the newly added device. For example, Laser Intrusion Detector 8 to perform arm disarm, force arm, or alarm clear operations. With the zone armed, test the alarm by blocking the laser beam. The zone status should display intrusion alarm. Click Alarm Clear to reset the alarm.